Welcome back to Beat the Recession Marketing. I'm James Carley, and you're watching Website Analysis. If you're ready to start learning about how your competition is winning in the marketplace, then I suggest you grab your pen because we're going to look at the facts that are responsible for your competition's success in the marketplace. So are you ready? Let's begin. When it comes to your website should be one of the most powerful assets in your company's arsenal. A tool that works hard for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, your website should act as a digital channel that's going to help you sell your company's products or services and really educate the people about your company. Business professionals, they spend a lot of time and money to make sure that their websites are optimized and structured just right for customers. Because creating that great user experience that draws visitors and customers back again and again, it doesn't happen by accident, but is a result of a well-oiled plan of attack that it was designed for both search engines as well as consumers. To do this, we're going to take a look behind the curtain to see how your competition is setting themselves apart and becoming so popular in the community. We're going to perform our very own detailed audit of the top ranking sites in your marketplace according to Google. Now, the point of all this is that we're going to start looking for any similarities or any correlating data between your competition. This information, once we get it all laid out, is going to reveal to us the exact instructions of what we need to do or what we don't need to do when it comes to marketing to your ideal customer. This is very symbolic to the barrier of entry into a market of the things that must be done for any business to be seen competitive. Now, the first thing you want to do is grab your spreadsheet of the top ranking sites from understanding your market stage. Then what we're going to start to do is visiting all the sites individually that you put on your list. One of the quickest ways to do this is by using a free tool called Traffic Travis. Now, if you're familiar with Traffic Travis, you can use any other tool to your liking, but I'm recommending Traffic Travis because it's a free tool, it's a great tool, and it just gets the job done. But before we go forward, I just want to remind you that we're not using this tool from an SEO perspective here, okay? But we're using it rather to get a better visual understanding of how your competition's websites are structured as well as optimized for consumers. Because there are 4 major factors that we want to look at regarding your competition's website structure when we're using this tool. The first factor is their main keyword being used in the title of their page? Now, if it is being used, what this does is it shows how people are finding them via the search engines. And this is why you see the results in Google appear the way they do, with whatever phrase that you entered into the search query is going to be highlighted in blue. The second factor that we're going to look at is, are they using their main keyword in their website URL? Which is a strong indicator that they are actually targeting this phrase on purpose and that they really are your true competition. The third factor we're going to look at is, what's the actual Google page rank of that page? What Google page rank is, it kind of shows the popularity of that website online according to Google. This shows if Google really views this website as an authority on whatever topic or niche that you're looking at, which is something we really need to pay attention to. And the last factor that we're going to look at is how many backlinks are going to that specific page. And a backlink is nothing more than an online vote, which really shows the number of how many people are sharing and talking about this content online. Now, after we look at all these factors, we're going to take a closer look at each site manually so we can identify a few more factors. The next thing you want to begin to do is visit the first website that you put on your competition worksheet. And once you get to that website, I want you to start looking at it from a consumer's perspective. I want you to really scroll around and visit different pages and really start to see how they're communicating with consumers. What we're trying to do here is to see if we can identify some common behavior that we see them repeating again and again. And when I say the word behavior, I'm referring to things like, Are they using video or articles? Which is going to reveal to you the engagement types that they're using to actually attract consumers. Is their website modern and up to date? And this shows you how visual users would be attracted to their brand. The next thing you want to look for is, do you see some type of lead capture form or site pop-up, which is going to show that they're actually focused on building a list of prospects, which is one of the most important, if not the most important, asset you can build for your business. Next, you want to begin to identify what type of irresistible offers are they giving away to customers, because this is going to show you what kind of offers maybe you can emulate or create to make even better to attract new customers and business. And the last factor you want to look at is there a mobile version of their website? I mean, is their website mobile friendly? And this is going to show you that they're actually paying attention to their customers' user experience when they have a mobile website in place. All these results from the website analysis will make a clear roadmap of what you need to do with your website. These things you must do so that you can outrank your competition when it comes to things like search engines, visuals, irresistible offers, lead capturing, and just the overall user experience. These factors are so huge that you can't ignore them. Next, we're going to continue to put together these pieces with our social analysis. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.